Welcome to Conestoga Conversations Indigenous Edition. In this series, every conversation with student recruiters will be exploring the programs, pathways, and clusters at Conestoga College. From a one-year college certificate to a 4 years honors degree, Conestoga has multiple ways to help you reach your goal. In today's conversation, we're going to be talking about the various campus locations at Conestoga College.
Some of you may be wondering, what does a student recruiter do? We are specialists in helping future prospective students by providing reliable information about programs and services, answering any Conestoga-related question on a one-to-one basis and within group settings, and leading you on virtual tours, and once we're back to normal, touring through our 8 campus locations. Conestoga student recruiters work with Indigenous students, students interested in degrees, trades and apprenticeships, and the general population.
My name is Roxane Shawana. I'm the Indigenous recruiter at Conestoga College, and I'm from Wacomico and ceded territory on beautiful Manitoulin Island.
And my name is Elisha Rivard, and I work with the general population, and I have a background in career development. Today, we're going to be talking about the various campus locations and our hidden gems at Conestoga College. Our hidden gems are programs you may not have known about and have a high employment rate.
So let's start with the region of Waterloo. The region of Waterloo has one of the largest and strongest labor markets in Canada. It ranks second in the country for highest employment rate. What's the benefit to the student? It means that when you graduate, you'll have a higher chance of landing a job in your area of study than anywhere else. The region has 7 sectors with employment over 20,000 people, illustrating its diversified economy. The benefit of this is a strong, diverse economy includes having more people working and earning potential, and generally leads to a higher standard of living. Waterloo region is a growing ecosystem of more than 1,500 tech-related businesses. Our community is home to Canada's largest tech, software, satellite, and e-learning companies. What's the benefit to the student? Well, with major tech companies like Google, DL2, OpenText, and Vidyard, and hundreds of startup incubators, the region is a great landing spot for many of our graduates across multiple disciplines. For example, Vidyard, a really cool tech firm, has approximately 35 Conestoga alumni working at the organization, from programs at the college such as IT, business, engineering, broadcasting, graphic design, and human resources. 65% of our graduates remain in the region after completing their education, contributing $2.3 billion annually to the local economy. What does this mean? It means that when you graduate from one of our programs, you have a vast network of graduates to connect with to start your career.
Let's look at our first campus that we want to highlight. That's the Kitchener-Dune campus. Let's look at some hidden gems that you might see at this campus. Woodworking, Bachelor of Design, the Bachelor of Applied Health Information Science, and our Bachelor of Accounting, Audit, and IT. Other programs that you might see at this campus would be Business, Community Services, Creative Industries, Health and Life Sciences, Interdisciplinary Studies, Woodworking, CNC, General Machinist, Tool and Die, and the Electrical Technician Industrial Program.
At our Cambridge campus, some of our hidden gems include packaging, electromechanical and automation maintenance, and 6 engineering degrees, such as our Bachelor of Architecture, Project and Facility Management. These areas that you might find at our Cambridge campus include engineering and information technology, welding and fabrication, robotics, food processing, and mechanical techniques.
At our Waterloo campus, this is where you'll see our Applied Computer Science and Information Technology School, and also the School of Hospitality and Culinary Arts. Some of the trades and apprenticeship programs within the construction sector are Carpentry and Renovations Technician, Electrical Techniques, Brick and Stone, the Construction Techniques programs, Women in Skilled Trades, HVAC, Roofing, and our plumbing programs.
At our Guelph campus, You'll find some business programming, and then you're going to find some of our trades and apprenticeship programs within the motive power sector. These include heavy construction equipment, automotive repair and service, motive power fundamentals, truck and coach, and motorcycle and power sport vehicle repair.
We're going to look at the Brantford campus. This is one of our newer campuses. This campus is like stepping into a European-style education institute. What that means is all the buildings that we have are situated in the downtown core of Brantford. Some of the programs you would see at this location would be business, early childhood education, and the early childhood education fast track program, one-year general arts and science, human service foundation, medical office practices, health office admin, and our office administration, the general and the executive programs. We also have another campus, and that is located at the Brantford Municipal Airport, which is actually really cool to see, and the students love it because they see all the planes flying in when they're doing their programs. Some of the programs you would see out there would be the electrical techniques, heavy construction equipment operation, and our motive power fundamentals, automotive repair.
Our Ingersoll Skills Training Center is a 12,000 square foot training facility that was completed in 2010. It was initially developed to provide training programs in the electrical utilities power line field. It's the only facility in southwestern Ontario to offer such training. We have our 2-year power line technician program at this location.
The last campus we want to talk with you today about is the online campus. So this one is new. This one has the flexibility and convenience to study anytime, anywhere, online learning through Conestoga, which makes continuing education and advancing your career possible. Here's some programs that you might see in the online campus, such as office administration, supply chain management global, tourism, event planning, and the Bachelor of Business, International Business Management. We also have our micro-credentials that's online as well. This certification is confirming that the recipient has completed one or more courses that are focused on skills or competencies attainment. Micro-credentials are a very short, concentrated group of courses that are flexible, innovative, timely, and are based on industry needs. They are designed to be a high quality and meaningful credential. Micro-credential programs are offered on campus, online, and hybrid formats. Some micro-credentials may be stackable and can be combined to form a part of a larger credential. On completion of all courses in the micro-credential area, you would receive a recognition of professional development. Some of the micro-credentials that you might see online would be basic web design, digital marketing, entrepreneurial skills for trades, home staging, and sales and marketing.
So if you'd like to hear more about Conestoga's campus locations and ideally all the great programs that we have, we want you to connect with us. You can do this a few ways. You can connect with us to book a Zoom conversation. You can text ourselves, or you can shoot us an email, whatever is your preferred method of communication. Also, what I'm going to encourage you to do is, if you've heard anything today that you're like, that sounds like a cool program, I want to check it out. On our YouTube channel, Conestoga Conversations Indigenous Edition, you'll find over 40 videos just around our programs, our pathways and clusters at Conestoga, and we encourage you to check those out. So until next time, Bama P.